So today something I would like to talk about is the Czech letter S. And I really want to talk about this letter because it's probably the hardest sound to make in the Czech language, and it's probably my most favorite sound to make ever out of any language, and it's something that I like to practice a lot. And it actually took me roughly a year exactly to get this letter down pat, and there was a lot of struggling with it, but once I got it, I couldn't stop doing it, and now it's basically just second nature. So I just want to make this video to help anybody that is speaking Czech and wants to learn it. I want to help you learn how to do it better too, because it's something a lot of people struggle with, and even for Czechs, some people either don't do it that clearly, or for children, for example, it's the last sound that they learn how to master. So basically, it's a letter that has two sounds to it. It's basically just a rolled R and the letter Ž, which I covered in the last video. I did a video on the Czech alphabet, so make sure to go watch that one. So S is the name of the letter, but it's not pronounced that way. It's basically just pronounced Ž, Ž, Ž. So in the word like přeletělo or řeka or anything else where it either starts, it can even end in that sound. There's one like tvář, means face. So it's a sound that I think is actually easier in words rather than just saying it itself. But so the two sounds that make up the one sound are a rolled R, r, and this letter, Ž. And you notice it's the Z plus H Czech. So I'll put a link in the description to the video that helped me out. The guy's name is Anthony Lauder. And what he was saying was that you just need to practice bringing these two sounds together. So if you have r, r, say that a lot, r, r, r. And if you have the sound j, 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 j. So if you go back and forth, you go r, j, r, j. And as you bring them closer together, you notice that you start to get closer to making the actual ash sound. So if you go r, j, r, j, r, 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 and you do that over and over again, it might be a little awkward at first, but that's because it's different. And I hope this tutorial helped a little bit, and keep practicing your Czech. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you in the next one.